What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in. And boy, it's been a crazy journey. A lot has been going on, as always. I mean, you saw my last video. I was trying to get ready for LS Fest in Vegas. Didn't happen, but that's okay. Things happen when it comes to this car stuff. And then I was able to get the car ready to get up to LS Fest in Dallas, and I had a blast. Sorry I really didn't get any footage for y'all. It's only because I was just so occupied and literally I'm just scrambling everywhere. I was just so happy to be there, but definitely LS Fest in the East. Bowling Green, that's gonna be a huge one, and I'm definitely gonna make it out to that one. But I'm not gonna hold you. So today, I got a brand new partnership. I'm always trying to do something updated with these older cars, because some of these newer cars just have so many features that aren't offered, or weren't offered back when these cars come out. So I'm always trying to add some little updated features to some of these older cars. So today, brand new partnership. The one and only WolfBox. All right, this is the G900 camera. So this is the WolfBox G900. This thing has a 4K camera on the front. It also offers a 2.5K camera for the rear, touchscreen, so many other features, Wi-Fi, the whole shebang. So this right here is going to replace my rear view mirror in my car, so that it kind of gives it that up-to-date look. I was trying to use the 6th gen or some of the up-to-date Chevy parts and retrofit it for the F-Body, but it was getting a little too complicated, so I decided to try to go some different routes. So this right here, seen some great reviews. I decided to go ahead and just check it out for myself. All right, so we're gonna do a little unboxing so you can see what all you get. One of the things I noticed that you get that I was very impressed with is that this right here is going to replace the mount in your rear view. So you're gonna get this whole rear view setup. Now they do have it where you can kind of just attach it to your rear view currently that you have, if you choose. But some of these older cars really don't have any other options. So I'm definitely gonna try to go and replace it, the whole thing. It comes with this little mount. And this is the mount that'll go on top. You're gonna bolt that to it like that. This right here is a hardwire kit. So you can hardwire it to the car. Good for your parking mode monitoring. They also have it where you can kind of put it into your cigarette lighter, your 12 volt, and you can kind of wire it that way. But I'm gonna hardwire mine. Let's see here. Packaging looks really good. Man, this thing is gonna be huge in the car. That's what I needed. I really needed that. I want to be able to see, first of all, I needed a dash cam anyway. But second of all, I needed to be able to see, especially behind you. Yeah, man, that thing looks like glass. All right, so, yep. Here comes a cigarette lighter. It actually has a USB port, so you can still have access. This is your GPS antenna. So this one does offer GPS. These are the little rubber brackets, so you can actually just attach it to your current rearview mirror. You could just wrap it around and it holds onto your current rearview mirror. But like I said, I'm going to replace replace mine altogether. Looks like some more hardware. This is the rear view camera. So we're gonna try to put it towards the rear, by the rear bumper. Like I said, when I'm backing up, these cars don't have no backup camera, so I'm gonna try to mount this right here in the rear. This is for your cables. And they actually come with a plastic pry tool, so that's cool. So really, they literally give you everything you need to set this thing up. What I did notice was on the hardwire kit, when it tells you to add the fuse or to put it into the fuse, it actually comes with the fuse in the wire. So the fuse will still be useful in the car because it still needs the fuse, but it also is wired to the harness. So literally, this kit is gonna come with every single thing you need. And I can't wait to get this thing installed. Man, check WolfBox out. I've seen a lot of social media, a lot of advertising. Let's see, got your Type-C port, your AV, your memory card. I gotta see what size memory card comes with it. GPS port, speakers. Man, this thing is really nice. Let's see the comparison to the one that's already in the car. So I guess not that much bigger, but definitely is bigger. Yeah. One thing I did just notice is that you can actually toggle the camera, so whatever is really best. So a lot of adjusting, a lot of adjustments. This is gonna be sick. Like, I can't really wait to install this thing. All right, guys, so that's the unboxing of the WolfBox G900. This is one of the pricier models. I think it's going for about, I think it's like $329, $299, $329, but they actually have it on sale right now. They're always having some type of sale. If you actually check down in the link in the comment section, you'll actually see a link below. You can order yours and you can get a discount. I want to say it was like 10, 20, 30% off, but check it out. That's the unboxing video. And then what I'm going to do is, after I install it, I'm definitely going to give my write-up, my review, my likes, my dislikes. They also have the G840S model, and that one is pretty much the same thing. The only difference was, I think it didn't have, the camera on the front was 2.5K, and then in the rear was like 1080p or something like that, but it substantially was cheaper. So definitely they have some affordable options. There's another T1 option. They also do just the regular dash cam setups that you typically see on, you know, anybody else's car. But like I said, man, comment, subscribe, like, share. I definitely got some new content coming. It's been a whole bunch of stuff in the works. It's been a whole bunch of things going on, and I'm just kind of eager to keep it going. Shout out to QA1, shout out to Holly, everybody. Thank you. Shout out to J-Rod Speed Shop. Man, hit me up sometime. Let me know if you have any questions. I can't wait to get this thing installed. So stay tuned. All right.